Hello, this is Pop321. This is tutorial 020, and today we're going to make a story. Now, what kind of story, you ask? Well, I'm just going to make it up along the way. So I'm going to say, hello, adventurer, if that's spelled right. It was a dark and stormy, and then I'm going to add in PHP here and use something from the last tutorial, which we kind of learned with MK time. And I'm just going to grab this here and I'm going to paste it in here. Now, you see this X, that's the day, and I'm going to say that X is a random day between 1 and 7. I mean 6 actually. So I'm going to set to that, and I'm going to want to get the day. So let's see here. Let's go to php.net and go to date here. Okay, so now I'm at the date page, and I'm going to look up what the format code is for getting the full name, and it's lowercase l. So I'm going to put in L here. I'm going to take this out. Oops, I'm on the wrong tab. Let's see here. Oh, that's why. And I need to go to echo date, and I'm going to put an L, and then put in this save variable. And then I got to put in night, and you are with, and then I'm going to go back to PHP echo random. I say 2 to 40 other people, and I'm gonna say other people here, and you want to go and mow the grand lawn of the ages. And I'm going to put a BR here for HTML, and I'm going to do that. And I'm going to just kind of show you what it looks like so far in the tutorial here. And I'm going to change this to 2.0 in my thing here. And now I have it loaded. Hello, adventurers. A dark and stormy Saturday night. You are with 4 other people, and you want to go and mow the grand lawn of the ages. If I refresh, Monday night 37, Sunday night 16. As you can see, these two are kind of changing. So let's go on and continue this story here. Hey, let's see here. Hey, let's see. One of your best friends, and I'm going to go back to PHP here, and I'm going to end it there, and I'm going to start a list of names of friends, and I'm going to make an array here. I'm going to say friends equals, and I'm going to I need to put that bracket equals there. And I'm going to say bracket equals here. And I'm going to say equals, and I'm going to say Joe. And I'm going to copy this a couple times. And I'm going to make a couple more. I'm going to say James, John, and Jacob. Woohoo. And I'm going to go and echo out a random one of those. So I'm going to say rand. I'm going to say count. No, actually I'm going to start with 0. And I'm going to go count how many friends there are. And I'm going to -1. Now why I'm doing -1 is because if this has 0 in this list, then it go from 0 to 0. But the thing is since there's 4, there's only from 0 to 3, so there's 0, 1, 2, 3. There's no 4th variable in friends, so that's why I have to do -1 there. And I'm going to go and do $friends. And I'm going to put this number in the brackets that's going to give me. And I'm going to continue with the story and say, wants to join you on your wonderful adventure. Now, you must decide to let him or not. And then I'm going to go BR. And I'm not really going to let the user choose, but I'm just going to make it randomly say yes or no. And I'm going to go back in PHP and do another random number. And I'm going to say yes or no for the variable name. And I'm going to say it ran for 0 or 1. And that's going to be 0 for false, 1 for true. If yes or no. And I'm going to say, I'm going to echo, you said yes. And I'm going to actually save this friend. I'm just going to go friend equals, and then I'm going to echo it. Because we might use this variable later on. And echo, there we go. You said yes to $friend. And I just cannot spell today. And I'm going to do that. So if we say no, I'm going to say this right here. So, said no to that. And I'm going to say here, because you said, and then I'm going to go back to PHP. And I'm going to copy this again. And I'm going to say yes. And I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to get rid of that. Your friend is quite, and then I'm going to go back to PHP again. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to say sad. I mean, not sad. Happy. And I'm going to say sad. I'm going to put the punctuation with it. Now, you and also I should save this number here with how many people are with me. I'm going to say people, and I'm going to echo it, and I'm going to go back to the bottom. You and PHP. I'm going to echo. Actually, first I'm going to go back here and say this. I'm going to say echo $people plus 1, because you also got your friend, and $people, just people otherwise. Now,